So today I will be sharing with you guys how I got this cute look. Yes, mommy, I will be helping you to serve this look. So if you're interested, do stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so I came with my eyebrows all done, but what I'll be using is this Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage foundation, and I will be going in with it before I actually get to my eyeshadow. I'm using a concealer brush to help distribute the foundation. This is just to make sure that I get an even toned look and that some spots or some places on my face actually don't have more coverage than the other. I want to make sure that the foundation looks flawless and it really has an even coverage all over my face. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my black opal eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use that orange shade. This shade I'm gonna use above my crease on both of my eyes. Blend, blend, blend. I really do like this orange because hi puppy, it is very subtle yet so beautiful. At this point, I feel like it has been blended well enough, so I'm gonna go in with that purple eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow that I'm gonna use inside my crease and all over my eyelid. Be sure to pack it on and take your time and just blend, honey. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with the same orange eyeshadow above the crease again, just to ensure that the transition looks pretty nice and well blended as well. Thereafter, we are going in with our concealer. Make sure that you conceal under those eyes, honey. Sure that you distribute it all over the spots that you would like to be highlighted. Snatch that face, honey. Snatch that face. I personally have very big cheeks, so this process is very important for me. This I do in order to ensure that I look a little bit more slimmer, but I have certain places where I'd like the attention to get drawn. That is particularly under the eyes. Okay, so at this point, I'm just gonna go in with my blender and I'm gonna blend. Honey, you need to blend that concealer, blend to the guards to ensure that the foundation foundation and the concealer has blended in pretty much very well. Okay, blend, honey. You can never get enough of blending. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with our banana powder that we got from Signature. I honestly love this banana powder. It is so affordable, but I must say that in the beginning I had a huge struggle with it because it had tended to like give you a yellow residue if you do not know how to work about it. But I have a secret hack that I discovered recently, not recently, like a few months ago, and to prevent, this is particularly to prevent that yellowness, because honestly I'm not a yellow bone, a caramel honey, and using banana powder can be sometimes just be using banana powder can mean the death of you. But I used my powder, and that is my compact powder from, I think it's Maybelline, and that I use over the banana powder, and that is basically just to stain the banana powder a little bit to look like my real complexion. See, it works like magic. Perfect. Now this looks more like my complexion. Contouring time. Honestly, I'm still very much afraid of contouring. Oh my word. I sometimes tend to overdo it. But the trick is to have a very light hand, and that is exactly how I do it these days. Fingers crossed that I don't waste it up. Snatch that nose, snatch it, snatch it. Snatch that nose, honey. Okay, looks pretty decent. Okay, time to actually become a clown. Funny faces and all. But hey, it's all worth it. I must actually say I'm actually pretty much very proud of myself. That contour looks decent. Look at that. Yes, baby. Yes. Yes, mommy. Okay, a little confession though. These days I've been literally loving experimenting with makeup, and I actually like the intensified look of the contour that I get whenever I add a little bit more banana underneath it. Look at that, honey. Now I look like I am 5 kgs lighter than my actual weight. Not that I hate it, honey. This girl suddenly has a huge butt, and I love it. A little blush has never hurt anyone, and this girl loves having those pink cheeks. In fact, sometimes I even have orange ones. The honest truth is, rhymes with the mood. It is a vibe. Now to add on to this look, we're going in with our fairy dust. Yes, a little bit of glow on the nose and a bit on the cheeks. Maybe sometimes a lot of it on the cheeks. It depends on the mood, honey. But it's never hurt anyone. Hi, Kiri. Before we forget, let's go in with that very same purple shade underneath our eyes. How gratifying that is. It just pulls that whole look together. And then there afterwards, we go in with the orange one underneath that very same purple shade, okay? Look. The colors have to represent, alright? Yes, baby, yes. Fairy dust. Glow up that life, honey. Glow it up. Vachabiki, Hoshota something. Let there be lashes. Yes, honey. Let's line those lips. And then it's time for my favorite lippy to represent. Honestly, for the 100th time on this channel, I'm going in with my Miss Signature mattifying lipstick. Look, we don't want to look like Madam Shine, okay? Blend that lipstick with that liner. Blend it so that you can get a nice ombre look, Nana. Alright? Got it? Khutswa. Away. Next, we're going in with our the second favorite lippy from a signature. Guys, honestly, now I just like these shades from a signature, and it's probably like the only lipstick that I own. Okay, I don't know if it's the Adam's Peak or whatever it is, but yeah, add a bit of glow there just to, I don't know what it does, but add it there, it just does something to you. Okay, honestly, I am using my DIY setting spray. That is just water mixed with glycerin, basically. That's all. It does the job. And yes, mommy, here you are. This is the final look. Serving face, honey. Serve us. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do the most and support your girl. I love you guys, and I hope that this video was of good help to you. 2021, serve face, honey, serve.